In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your iPhone not receiving emails. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So for this video, we're going to be using the Mail app. All you want to do is you want to click on Mail. Right now, it shows no mail, and it might be showing that for you too, or you might just not be receiving any emails whatsoever from a certain date. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to your settings on the bottom left. Once you're here, you just want to scroll basically all the way down until you find apps at the very bottom. Click that. Now you can either scroll or you can just search the Mail app. Once you're here, you're going to be in this area. It's going to show how many mail accounts you have and a bunch of different options. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look at your mobile data section and you want to turn that off for a second and then turn it on again. Now the reason you want to do that is because if you are not connected to any Wi-Fi, you want to be able to make sure that your mobile data is still able to receive emails for you. After doing that, just make sure your default Mail app is the one that you want. For in my instance, it's Gmail. And after doing that, just go back to Mail, refresh again, and then your inbox should update.